If you've watched Cache Canada before, you know that I am really into webcams, and we're here at BYU, Idaho, to hopefully get one. Then we've done this one before, but couldn't get it. We kind of screwed it up, and I was not happy. Stay tuned. So the last time we were here, about a year ago, we found the room, but it was locked. And I didn't quite understand anything about the hours of operation or something. And I guess we were just here on the wrong day, and it was closed. So, you know, it was just kind of disappointing to have driven to the point. We were driving from Ontario to British Columbia, so, you know, we were just happened to be passing by. But disappointing that we couldn't get it done. And then to try to figure out, well, when would I ever have an opportunity again to come to Idaho to do a webcam, specifically here? Well, that opportunity was today. Just gotta follow the signs to the testing center, because that's what the link connects to. And there's only one room, one camera. Straightforward downstairs. If memory serves, it's on the right, I think. You got the TV on this side.
And there's 3 pictures on this side.
Yeah, so you got to coordinate that with the view that you see on your webcam, and then just refresh the image. So we're standing in the right spot at least. And this time we're in the room.
Well, because it's not locked.
Yeah, so here we go. Okay, I think, yeah, we got it. There was somebody standing in the way, so I just had to close it out, and then I had to open it back up again, but
We got it.
we're right there. We got it. Webcam number 98.
Okay, it's 4:30 though. Okay, it's 4:30.
So before we lose it, make sure I get a screenshot. I'll just do a wide screenshot. And then just for kicks and giggles, just look at the webcam, and I'll hit the open. Hopefully I'm looking up when I open it. Okay, all right. So back to okay. So I'm gonna open it, and then I'm gonna scroll down, back up, and then see if we are looking. Well, yeah, kinda. It's a little different. There we go. 2 pictures. Done. That was so cool. Took forever to get here to get this webcam, but yeah,
And
that's
mine
another
wouldn't
story.
open up.
You didn't have any bars?
No.
Oh my gosh. Good thing I was here. We're retracing our steps, trying to get back where we started from without getting lost. Wow, finally got it.
Nice to have it when things are open.
Yeah, and we just happened to be driving by within about 30 kilometers as we were heading back up to Canada, and I looked at the route and I'm like, whoa, we're stopping here.
Close enough to stop.
Yeah.
So keep watching. There's more caches to be found.
Yeah, where will geocaching take you?